Ultra-high viscosity offers a wide range of new possibilities, really as wide as the customer can think of.
We're giving people a new tool to create better products. High viscosity will transform 3D printing by enabling extra material properties that aren't possible with other inkjet printheads. Xaar's ultra-high viscosity technology allows printing of fluids up to 100 centipoise in viscosity.
The benefits that ultra-high viscosity brings, things from fire retardancy, hardness, flexibility, elasticity, increased short-chain polymers, long-chain polymers, but an overall functionality improvement to the final printed output. The advances in high viscosity mean that it's no longer a prototype, but can be significantly more functional.
The difference between your final prototype and your product is the number you make.
Transition to inkjet gives that digital advantage of small batch, fast turnaround and mass customization. There are many industries, I believe, that ultra-high viscosity can transform. I mean, one example would be the automotive industry. You could print on the outside of the vehicle or the inside of the vehicle. You could print coatings and paints. You could do the headlights. We could add tactile effects. And that's the really great thing about working with people with great ideas.
The 5-step customer process is a menu of service that Xaar offers, which makes our inkjet capability accessible to our customers. We evaluate the fluid, the performance in the printhead, and even produce samples for the customer, giving them confidence in the technology, but also in us, Xaar, as a partner.
It really takes the customer experience from a conversation through to commercialisation.
We're enabling people to do things in a new way.
If you've got a good idea and you don't know about inkjet, then have the conversation with us.